Yo, what's good, fam? It's your girl Mo the Goat coming with another video. If you new to the channel, go ahead, hit like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a new video. It really helps the channel and I really appreciate it. If you're old to the channel, welcome back, welcome back. I'm gonna show y'all how to slice this text up and do something real cool with it real quick, all right? So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright, so basically I'm gonna take my text tool. Shortcut for text tool is T, y'all. So I know I didn't show that on my shortcut. Um but yeah, it's T. I'm not gonna do every letter. I could do every letter, but let's just use H for this standard video, okay? Alright, so we got the letter H. And what I'm gonna do is right click, go down to create outline. So it's shift control O, all right? That's the shortcut for it. Excuse me. All right, so I'm gonna take my pen tool. See, under the pen tool, you can add an anchor point. Like if you click into the pen tools over here, you can go down to the one with the plus. Or the shortcut for it is just plus on your keyboard, all right? And that's how I'm gonna click and add an anchor point. But before I do that, I'm gonna go to my knife tool, and I think the shortcut is K for that, but I'm not sure on here. But just know it's under your eraser, under your erase with your eraser and your scissors and your toolbar. All right, and with holding Alt, I'm gonna click and I'm gonna find somewhere good to just slice this. All right, somewhere cool, and just hold and drag across, and that sliced the two in half. Now they still stuck together, so what I want to do is right click on it and ungroup. That's gonna ungroup the top from the bottom. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna zoom in over here, and I want this to go this way, and I want this bottom one to go this way. And that reminds me that I need to select both of these two tops over here, and I need to group them together. So right click, group, and that keeps that like that. Okay. Now, so I could see, for the sake of me seeing, I'm just going to, under my color, if you don't see none of these panels, go to window and go to your panels, drop down to your panels, and I'm going to go to my color panel, and I'm going to just recolor that, okay? And then I'm going to zoom in, and so when you click it with your direct selection tool, the white tool, A shortcut, you see a node right there. Don't mess with that one. Go up a little further, and with pressing plus or pressing that the pen tool that I showed you, click. All right. And then you want to click again. Click again somewhere up there. So you got three nodes right here. And with the direct selection tool, shortcut A, grab this second one and drag it out. All right. Drag it out with pressing shift. And then press shift again. Well, I guess you don't have to press shift again, but kind of put it at an angle like up here or whatever. All right. That's a pretty cool angle. And if it's too, you can drag it however you want to. You can even drag it in. That's the cool part about it. So if it's too long, just shorten it, drag it like that. And you're going to do the same thing down here with the black one. So with the direct selection tool, select your shape and press plus for your anchor, for your pen tool anchor point. To add an anchor point, press the plus button, and you're gonna add one like right here, and then you're gonna go down a little further and add another one. And with your direct selection tool, pressing A for shortcut, zoom out and kind of drag this out. It's behind this. Let me move this color box so we can see. And just kind of like that, like at an angle. Now, my angle's not matching the way I want to, but the thing about these little nodes and stuff, I call them nodes, but they really anchor points. You can take these nodes or anchor points and you can move them however you want to move them. Right now, I'm just going to press it and press shift and click and press shift and make this a little bit pointier, a little bit sharper. If I can grab it, there we go. Press shift and make this just a little bit sharper. You know what I'm saying? Actually, I'm gonna widen it up a little bit again. All right, just to kind of match this one. Take the out one and drag it up a little bit. It looks fine to me. And then you got a sliced text. So if you take this bottom one and you move it down a little bit, you know what I'm saying? That looks pretty cool, man. So that's how you do that. And like the short I put up, just say for instance, if we turn this white, let's grab everything, turn this white, and then click off of it and grab your rectangle tool, which is M, the shortcut, and drag up around where we know it's at and change this color to black. And we're gonna throw it to the back by pressing Shift Control left open bracket and throw that to the back like that. And now we're gonna lock it. With it selected, we're gonna press Control the number 2, and that locks that. All right. And I don't know if you remember, but if you take this and we go to our gradient panel and we go up here to our gradient panel and we choose white and black, and then we choose our slider. This is our gradient slider. I don't think we talked about gradients, but this is the gradient slider. This is the gradient panel. You can find that under Windows gradient. Okay, you take that right gradient color, which is black right now, and you drop this opacity down to 0. And then you take the white one that's on the left one, and you on the left side, and you drag this all the way to about 32, 30-ish, somewhere like that. Then you come down here and you click and you drag, and it's gonna give you something like this. But with still holding it, make sure you at the angle of your cut, okay? And you just kind of tuck it in like that, where you see a little black still showing. And that's gonna give the illusion. Let me see. Let me do it one more time. Let me select it again. Press give me this. Press M. Oh snap. So select it again. Select my gradient tool. And let's do this one more time, where you see a little shadow of black peeking through like that. And that gives the illusion that your text has been sliced. And with that gradient dark right there, that's where we see it at, because it's dark right there, and we drop that opacity down to 0, so it's showing the black that's behind it. So if we Control Alt 2, because I want y'all to understand what's going on. If we Control Alt 2, we'll unlock this background, okay? And we change this background color to, I don't know, yellow or whatever. It'll change with the color because of the fact that this black is transparent. It's transparent. This black part is you can't see this. Like if I bring it over here, you won't really be able to see it because it's transparent. But this white that's peeking through up here, this shows this white is matching this. So this background will show on any color like that. You know, it give a little illusion. All right. So that's how you do that, party people. I'm glad y'all tuned in with another one. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button before you get out of here. And I see y'all on another video, man. Thanks for tuning in. All right.